Hi Scorpios, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, we'll be looking at your energy starting from 22nd till 28th of November 2021. In this video, I'll be looking at whole of your energies, past, present, future, your inner energies, heart, mind, everything in regards with your person's energies as well. So let's dig into your reading. Okay. So this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you. Take what resonates and leave the rest. Okay, if this is not your story, do not try to make it yours. Let's get started. For my Scorpios, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus sign, 22nd till 28th of November 2021. If you want to book a personal reading with me, you can go to my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below. So you can DM me over there if you want. Let's see. Scorpios, let's see. At the back of the deck, we have the Nine of Wands. It looks like you are blocking something. You know, you are blocking a communication. You are blocking someone to come into your life. Might be an old person, might be a friend, old friend, a person with whom you have already, broke up. Could be a love relationship, and now they are trying to come in and you are blocking that energy of them coming towards you, because there's definitely something, because your present, what you are not able to see is the Eight of Wands. See that somebody is trying to come towards you, but you are not in that state of letting that person enter or letting that communication enter. The problem, the issue with the situation is the Three of Pentacles. There could be partnership. Three people could be involved in the situation, and that is the third party situation for some of you. It could be, and not putting so much effort into that situation. It could be that could be a problem as well. So either this person was not able to put all the energies in the relationship, or you, but there's definitely an issue in the relationship. We are going to clarify it more. In your heart energies, we have the Strength energy. So this is telling us that with the Strength energy, we have, you want to, I feel that somewhere you, because of whatever happened in the past or whatever the situation made you, it's like, you are not ready to give this person full 100% of yours now. And I'm also getting an energy where you are, from your heart, you are giving yourself more time. With that, you might be traveling as well, I feel, for some of you. I don't know, but yeah, there are some travels, there's something going on. You are more involved into something which is giving you more peace and happiness in your life. So you are putting energies on some other things rather than this person or the situation which you are blocking. Your overall energy is definitely the blocking energy, but still from your heart you want to give yourself more time. In the past, we have the Hermit. So this is telling us that you have already moved on from that situation, and that is why you are blocking now, because you were the one who took that decision of moving away from this person or this situation, and now you do not want to be with that person anymore, so you are blocking. In your head, we have the Ace of Pentacles. So you are more interested into something new in life. Okay, so it could be a new relationship, or it could be a new job, whatever. You are done with the past things. You do not want to think about too much, although there are times when you, because the reason why you're blocking is that means from your heart you are not over from this person. You have not yet healed from this person, and that is why when the communication is coming towards you, it is making you feel a little, why you have come now. It's making you feel a little paranoid, or like, yeah, why are you coming now, why are you communicating when I want to just let go? So you are coming in. you are coming in, you are going. It's all you are doing for yourself. You are being selfish. This is what you are saying to your person. This could be your person's reading as well, so just see it can be vice versa. Take as it resonates. Okay, in the coming future we have the Knight of Wands. There is an action which is taken because of the communication which you are blocking right now. The communication will happen in the near future. The things which you are stopping right now, there has to be this communication. The communication will be there. Okay, definitely I feel that. 5 of Cups in your actions right now. I feel that somewhere either you regret to have met this person, or you regret that whatever happened, somewhere you feel that it's your fault. I don't know, but I feel that somewhere you and that is the reason you are, you want to move on because of this thing, because you feel that it was your fault. There was something you could have done in this relationship to save this relationship, but you haven't done it, and this is the reason. But we will clarify what this is. In the person's energies towards you is the 6 of Pentacles. This person is showing you all the honesty and all the generosity, we would say, that they are being very generous to you. They are being very good, kind to you, but they are being, I feel that we are going to clarify whether this is some fake energies or real energies. 4 of Swords energies in the overall energies from the universe. Universe is trying to tell you that things are fine. Okay, they are not so busy, or they are not so hideous as you think. Whatever you are getting, whatever the energies you are getting from the person in front of you, they are actually true. I don't feel that something is hidden over here. In the final outcome we have the Magician. So something which you are manifesting is coming to be true. So yeah, manifestations, keep on manifesting, Scorpios. So tell me about the 9 of Wands energy for my Scorpios overall energy, please. 10 of Wands. See, you are taking this person as a pressure now. It's like this person has become a pressure, a responsibility, or you are into some other situations in life, and that is why you are not ready to give another person also the time and energy and space, because you are already into a very big struggle situation, or you are not finding time to talk to them. There's something or the other coming up in your life, and you are not able to sit, and you're not able to relax and have a conversation with this person. This could be a situation. 8 of Wands, Ace of Rods. See, so Ace of Wands with the 8 of Wands, we feel that this communication this person is trying to send it to you, this is much better. Okay, they have planned this communication from a long time, and they want to communicate, they want a talk, they want something. They are here for you. It feels like that. Yeah, definitely. 3 of Pentacles, 6 of Cups. See, this is the problem, that this person has come from the past energies only. So this is a past person who wants something new again from you. It looks like, they have given you so much of pressure, they have given you so much of tensions in the past, and all of a sudden when you were trying to heal from this person, they have come up suddenly, all of a sudden, from nowhere, and they want reconciliation, they want a proper communication, they want to talk to you, they want to be with you. They are coming towards you with a proper, stable offer. But now you are not ready, or either you are not ready to be with them, or you are not ready to even talk, because even talking can harm your whole peace and mental space which you have built for such a long period of time. Strength energies for my Scorpios. 3 of Cups. Okay, so I think you are I told you over here, you are traveling, you are with your friends, you are being happy in a different way, somewhere you want to be, and somewhere you feel that something is fishy in the situation, and that is why you are trying to be with your friends more, and you are avoiding this person for any kind of communication at present. Tell me about the Hermit energy in the past for my Scorpios. Devil. So yeah, things were really intense in the past with this person, and that is the reason the healing process was taking a lot of time. I'm really sorry for the barking of the dog. Sorry, it's my dog. Okay, so Four of Pentacles energy in the past. So yeah, it was really hard for you to move on from this, to let go of this person and to move on from this person. It was like that because it was so intense and you were too addicted. I feel like they were also feeling the same. Yeah, that is the thing. Tell me about the Ace of Pentacles in my Scorpio's head. What's going on in your head? The Chariot. You, somewhere you feel like you should move on now. Rather than being again with the same person, it's better to move on. It's better to find something new, someone new in life, because this person might give you the same tensions and same problems which they have given it to you in the past. Tell me about the Knight of Wands. The Hermit. Okay, I feel okay, so you are going to accept this offer or accept this communication which is coming towards you from the other person, because the universe is telling you to heal from this situation. But it looks like they are coming towards you, and they are coming towards you fast, and they're offering you a cup or an offer, a communication, just a date, normal, and you are going towards that thing, I feel. Okay, because you cannot resist them. What's going on, Scorpios? Not able to say no right now? Five of Cups. Or you have already said yes, and you might be regretting because of saying that yes now. Let's see. Two of Cups. Yeah, I feel that the date has already happened for many of you. The date is going to happen for many of you, but there are some regrets also in your end. It feels like you are, at the same time, you are feeling, I shouldn't have said yes to this person. This person has they have taken all of my peace, mental stability and everything, and now when going back to the same person is going to bring more instability in my life, and you are coming towards a crossroad situation again. Okay, so I think that you're regretting that. You were happy when this person was away from you. You were able to heal yourself, and coming back of this person is making you feel a little happy as well as a little unhappy. Then Six of Pentacles for my Scorpios. My Scorpios person's energies towards Scorpios. King of Pentacles. I feel they are coming towards you with a stable offer now. Oh my God. So we have Six of Pentacles. They are kind towards you. They are generous. I told you I will see the energies, whether it's fake or real. So the energies are real with the Empress and with the King of Pentacles. They are not lying. They have done their lessons. The learning of the lessons have been done. They have taken some decisions in life. They are stable. They are loyal now. They want to care you. They want to take care of you the way you have taken care of them. This person is a little changed. Okay, let's see. Four of Swords energy in the energies for my Scorpios. Message from the universe. Eight of Cups. Okay. Universe is trying to tell you to heal from this situation. Once you will actually heal from this situation, let go of this thing first. You need to let go of the older miscommunications or misunderstandings between each other. If you will be able to let go of all that negativity which was there in the past between both of you, if you are able to let go of that, you also should let go of that, plus your person should also let go of all that negativity, and then starting a new relationship with each other. It will be a very, very positive one with the Four of Wands, 11-11 energy. So yeah, I feel this. You need to let go of all the mistakes you might have done, you or your person, and then looking forward to a new relationship with each other. Because if the problems will not end of the past, you will enter in the same cycle. You have to end it, then only you can enter into a new cycle. The Magician in the overall outcome of the situation. Two of Swords. Queen of Swords might be dealing with a Libra or Gemini. Oh, okay, Seven of Wands. Yeah. So if this thing will not be, see, the message from the universe is this only: if you will not be able to let go of all the former negativities, if you will not be able to let go, same things will again come. You will not be able to decide. You will be indecisive. You will feel that whether I'm doing right or wrong, what I'm manifesting, am I manifesting in a wrong way or a right way? Is this person right for me? Or you will cut this person off again, I feel. If the healing is not done properly, if the miscommunication or misunderstanding will not be properly, clarified, things will take a very bad turn. Again, there will be fights, arguments, and everything. So you really need to understand this thing, what the universal message is for you, before taking any decision. Alright, so that is all from my side, my dear Scorpios. I hope that helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.